HTML is hypertext markup language, and it describes the structure or content of web pages in a sense that when we surf on the internet, things we're trying to get information, and this information can be in form of text or images, and this text or images are handled through HTML. Like in this case, where image, there's a link, image, text, link, and if we go down again, let's go to the bottom, image, text, link. So if we look at this website, we see I'm on sciencenews.organization, and if we look at this website, we see that basically what we have here is full of images, text, and links. These are all added by HTML, which means HTML describes the content of the structured content of web pages. That's why it's essential to learn HTML. And it's also easier for us to learn. Yes, I tell you, HTML is one of the simplest programming language you can learn. And hopefully, as we go on in this tutorial, you're going to find it very easy to understand and learn. HTML tags. HTML tags, these are an HTML code that defines every structure on an HTML page. Or tags or HTML tags are hidden keywords within a web page that define how your web browser must format and display the content. In the case, these are tag here. It's always with an opening angle bracket and also a closing angle bracket can set here. And this tag here is called an opening tag, and this is an closing tag. And this content goes here is an HTML element. So HTML elements always have an opening stats tag and a closing or end tag. And the difference between these two tags is consider / here. These are differentiates an opening tag and a closing tag. And it's like if I want this my content goes here, if I want it to be big, then I'm going to put the name of the tag that makes content big for it to work. And I put my text, I sandwich it in the middle. So that's the general rule of HTML tags. There's always an opening and closing tag. This is another type of HTML tag we have. I'm gonna explain later in detail, and they are called empty element because no HTML element is written %. And the way it's even done is different, as there's always a / before the end of the closing angle bracket. Gonna explain in greater detail as we go on in this tutorial. But let's just have it in mind that the general rule of HTML tag is that there's always an opening tag and a closing tag. So I have the text here. I copied the text on this website and I copied it here. And after copying, can you tell what it looks like? It doesn't look like what it looks like here. So, but we we enable it look like this. Like this place is bold. When I had my tag here, it sends a message to the web browser that this particular text needs to be bold. So that's one of the significance of that I had this little bit here, and that's how it's written. Just gonna add it. And H1. The general rule. Keep in mind the general rule. And after I've written it, I say when I view my browser, it interprets. It tells the browser, oh, so this keeps the content. This keeps its content is an H1. And an H1 means the text is in order, means to make it very big. So it makes it big. And if I want it to be bold, I'm just going to add the bold tag. Now when I save and view it in my browser, it tells the browser automatically interprets it. So this text has to be bold. Okay, so let's just stop there now and head over now to the next video where we're going to start fully on our HTML. See you in the next video.